Dear students, welcome to the video lecture of iteration statements. They are also known as a looping statements. The iteration statement. Iteration statement is also known as a looping statement. A segment of the program that is executed repeatedly is called as a loop. A set of statements that is executed repeatedly until a specific condition is satisfied. That is known as a loop. Some portion of the program has to be specified several number of times or until a particular condition is satisfied. Some portion of the program has to be specified, that means executed several number of times or until a particular condition is satisfied. Such a repetitive operation is done through a loop structure. Such a repetitive operation is done through a loop structure. The three methods by which you can repeat a part of a program are while loops, do while loops, and for loops. So these are the very different loop structure. Do while loops, do while loops, and for loops. Loop generally consists of two parts. First one is a control expression. That means one or more control expression which the control the execution of the loop. Okay, one is a control expression. That means one or more control expression which control the execution of the loop. The loop will get executed until the particular condition is true. That is known as a control expression. Second, body of the loop, which contains a set of statements that should be executed, which is a statement or set of statements which is executed over and over again until a particular condition is satisfied, right? Until a particular condition is true. Any looping statement which include the following steps. Okay, the looping statement should include the following steps: initialization of a condition variable, test the control statement, executing the body of the loop depending on the condition, updating the condition variable. So first you have to initialize the condition variable is to be initialized first. Second, test the control statement. A condition is tested here. Executing the body of the loop depending on the condition. Then the body of the loop will get executed. Then updating the condition variable. That means increment or decrement in the condition variable. So in this, the initialization will be done only one time. Okay, in the beginning of the loop. After that, it will test the control statement and execute the body of the loop and update the condition variable. And again test the control statement. Control statement is true, will execute the body of the loop and update the condition variable. Okay, it will go until the control statement is become false. The body of the loop is get executed and the condition variable will get updated. Once the the control statement is false, then the control will jump out of the loop structure. The next statement of the loop structure. A looping statement would include the following steps, okay, which we discussed already, which include the following steps: initialization of a condition variable, test the control statement, executing the body of the loop depending on the condition, and updating the condition variable. So these are the four steps in the looping variable. Before we are getting inside the looping variable, we have to discuss very important two constants we have to discuss. One is a break statement. Okay, in the loop control structure, we are using a break statement. Another one is a continue statement. Break statements we all already we know very well that okay that used to terminate it used to terminate the control from a particular block and the control will go out of that block. That's a break statement. Okay, it terminates the loop or a switch statement and transfer the execution to the statement immediately following the loop or switch. Okay, when it is used in the loop statement or switch statement, it terminates the loop. Okay, the loop will get terminated and the control will go to the next statement after the loop, immediately following the loop, the statement that immediately following the loop or switch. Break statement is encountered inside a loop. Break statement is encountered inside a loop. The loop is immediately terminated and the program control resumes at the next statement following the loop. Okay, when a break is encountered inside the loop is get terminated immediately and program control resumes at the next statement following the loop statement. Okay, the control will transfer out of the loop statement. It is the next statement after the loop structure. It can be used to terminate the case in the switch statement. Okay, we see the example. Okay, in the switch case videos. Okay, those who yet to see the switch case videos, please go to the switch case video and see that how the break statement is used within the switch case statement. And continue statement. It causes the loop to skip the remainder of its body and immediately retest its condition prior to reiterating. That means that okay, a contradiction from the break statement, the continue statement is encountered. That will what it will do. That will not continue the remaining statement. Again, the control will transfer to the okay, the condition statement, okay, and the loop iteration will begin from the next iteration. For example, a particular iteration will be skipped when the condition statement is encountered. Continue statement in C programming works somewhat like a break statement. Instead of forcing the termination, it forces the next iteration. Okay, it won't terminate the loop, but actually, once the condition statement is encountered, the remaining statement within the loop cannot be executed. Again, again, what will happen? The condition, okay, again the loop will go to next iteration. Okay, it will go to check the condition, and the condition is true. It will come inside. Okay, it will skip. It used to skip a particular iteration. Instead of forcing a termination, it forces the next iteration of the loop to take place, skipping any code in between. Okay, in between when this is terminated, this control continue statement is encountered. Okay, it will force the next iteration of the loop that to take place, skipping the any code in between. Okay, it will not, the remaining code will not executed after the condition statement. Okay, again will transfer the control to the condition statement. Okay, and it will come to the next iteration. Okay, we'll see some example also. We'll see an example of this continue statement. Hash include stdio.h. Okay, it is integer main. I am declaring a local variable integer a equal to 10. So here I am writing a do while loop. Okay, we'll discuss the do while loop in detail. What I am doing here, okay, do while, what it will do while loop. Okay, the while the condition is at the end of the loop. Okay, it will execute until the a value less than 20. So what happened when the condition is tested at the end of the loop, even though the loop will execute at one time, even though the condition is false, because the condition is tested at the end of the loop. Do and open braces, close braces. Okay, then the end of the close brace, you have to give a while condition. Open and close parenthesis, you have to put a less than 20. Any condition we are giving a less than 20 here. Okay, here what I am doing, okay, do loop. If a equal to 15, what will happen? I'm making a equal to a plus 1 and performing the continue. Continue means what happened? Okay, the remaining statement will not get executed. Again, the control will, okay, go to the beginning of the loop. Okay, and it will take the next iteration. That is the job of the continue statement. Once it is encountered, what will happen? It will transfer the control to the beginning of the loop. Okay. Again, what happens? The condition will again go to the next state, execute the next iteration, and the condition is tested at the end of the loop. So we'll check out our program. Here I'm giving a equal to 15. Okay, you check I'm initializing a equal to 10. It checks a equal to 15. Initial value a equal to 10, so it won't 15. What it will do? It will print the value of a. So 10 will get printed now. 10 will get printed first. Okay, then what will a plus a is become 11 now. Okay, 11 less than 20. Here is 11 less than 20. You have to check 11 equal to 15. A is 11 now. No. Okay, to print the statement now, it will, the 11 will get printed again. Okay, then what will happen? It will a plus a is become 13 now. Okay, so what will happen? Likewise, a equal to a 13 equal not equal to 15. It won't go inside the if loop. It will come to out of the if loop and print the value, and 12 and 12, and okay, next iteration will print the 13, and next iteration it will print the 14. Okay, what will happen when printing for a is become 15? So a is 15 means it will increase a equal to a by 1. So a is become, okay, 16 now. A is become 16 now. So the continue, what it will do, it will again transfer the control to the beginning of the loop. So what will happen now? It will come and check a equal to 16 now. 16 is not equal to 15. So it will come and print the value. After 14, it will print 16. Okay. Again, it will go up to 16, 17, 18, and 19 will get printed. And 19 will get printed. Okay. So what happened if a is a, once a is become a's initial value is 10. If a is become 15, it skips the okay, by using the continue statement, we're skipping the printing. Okay, we increase the value and continue again the control will go to the beginning of the loop. So 16 will not get printed. So the output is the value 10 to 19 will get printed by skipping the value 15. Okay, because we are using continue statement here. So continue, what it will do, it won't terminate the loop statement. It will transfer the control to the beginning of the loop. Okay, that's it. We'll execute the program and check the result now. Okay, we'll execute the program and check the result. Yes. Printing value of a equal to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And what is skipped here? So 15 is skipped. The value of 15. Okay, the value 15 is skipped. 15 is skipped. Okay, because no 15. Okay, so from this, this program shows the example of the continue statement. Okay, continue encounters. Okay, control again go to the beginning of the loop. So it will print 17, 18, 19. Once it become 20, 20 less than 20 is false, it will come out of the loop. Okay. Next, we are going to discuss about the this example which we discussed, go to statement. Go to statement is an unconditional branching statement. The go to statement is a jump statement, which is sometimes also referred to an unconditional jump statement. The go to statement can be used to jump from anywhere to anywhere within the function. Okay, within a particular function, we are able to jump from anywhere to anywhere. When we are having a label and we have to give label colon, anywhere can place the label. You have and give a go to and label name. When the statement is encountered, what will happen? The control directly transfer to this place. Okay, the label will get executed. So like here also. So you have to give a label and colon. Within this, you have to give a set of statements. When you give a go to label, okay, what happened? The control will transfer to the line where the label is placed. Okay, so this is known as unconditional branching. We see an example for the unconditional go to statement. So same one, which are instead of loop, I'm using the unconditional branching statement. Okay, instead of continuous statement, I'm using a go to statement. Okay, here integer a equal to 10. So loop, I'm giving a loop label here, loop colon. So do while statement. Okay, what I'm doing, if a equal to 15, I will increase a equal to 8 plus 1, go to loop. What to do? It will again take the control back to this place. How it will happen? Okay, when once value a equal to 15, so a equal to 10 means okay, control will come out, print the value of a colon percentage d will print the value of 10. Okay, then now what will do? A plus plus a is become 11. It will go and come a and print a check 11 is not equal to 15, 11 will get printed, like 12, 13, 14 get printed. Okay, after printing the value of 14, a is become 50, 15. So if a 15 equal to 15 condition is true, then a equal to a plus 1, a is become 16. Now go to loop, again transfer the control back to this place. Okay, again again what happened, the iteration will come to this place. If check 15 is not equal to 16, it will come and print the value. Here the 16, again 16, the values of 16 will get printed, and a plus plus a is become 17. Likewise it will print from, okay, the value 10 to 10 to, it will print 14, and again it skip 15 and it will print 16 to 19. It will print 16 to 19. Okay, we will run the program. We will run the program and check the result. Yes, the result is similar. Okay, what is skipped here? The value. Okay, between 14, after 14 we are having a 16, 15 is skipped. Okay, okay, that is about the go to statement. Okay, this is a part 1 video of the loop structure. In the next video we'll discuss more about the loops. Okay, thanks for watching it. That's it for the class.